If you've never tried making a Mughlai dish, you're missing out on food that feels like it belongs on a royal table. Seriously, it's rich, fragrant, and layered with spices that hit all the right notes. Imagine your kitchen turning into a palace for just one meal. The pain point for most people? It looks complicated. All those spices, techniques, and slow cooking feel overwhelming. But here's the thing, it's totally doable. You follow the steps, and suddenly you have this mind-blowing dish that tastes like you spent hours perfecting it. Start with the basics. Gather your ingredients. Mughlai dishes typically require ghee, onions, garlic, ginger, yogurt, cream, and an arsenal of spices: cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and more. Oh, and chicken or lamb, because they're the stars of the show. Lay everything out before you start cooking. Pro tip, prepping your spices beforehand saves a ton of chaos. The first major step is frying the onions. Sounds simple, right? But getting that golden brown, crispy texture is everything. Those onions are going to form the base of your curry. Slice thin, use medium heat, and stir constantly. No shortcuts here. Next, your aromatics. Ginger, garlic, and those magical Mughlai spices hit the pan and sizzle in ghee. It smells ridiculously good at this stage. This is where the flavor magic begins. Be patient. Toast those spices until your kitchen smells like a spice market. Add your meat, lamb, chicken, or even goat if you're feeling adventurous, and sear it. Let the spices coat every piece, every single piece. This part sets the tone for how deep and rich your curry's flavor will be. Don't rush. This isn't a stir-fry. Now comes the yogurt. Slowly stir it in 1 spoon at a time so it doesn't curdle. This adds that signature Mughlai tanginess. You'll notice the sauce starting to evolve into something creamy and indulgent. It's basically art at this point. Here's where the nuts make their entrance. Blended cashews or almonds are integral to Mughlai cuisine, making the sauce velvety rich. Puree them beforehand or buy them pre-ground to save time. A tablespoon or 2 is all you need. To finish the sauce, add cream. Yes, real cream. I know some folks might substitute with half and half, but trust me, go full cream here. It's what gives Mughlai dishes their luxurious texture. Think of it like the crowning jewel. Simmer everything together. Low and slow is your motto here. The flavors need time to marry, 20 to 30 minutes minimum. Use this lull to admire your work, or maybe clean a pan? I know cleaning isn't exciting, but it makes the end easier. The grand finale? Garnish. Slivers of almonds, sprigs of coriander, maybe a splash of saffron-infused milk for that golden touch. Plate it up next to naan or steamed basmati rice and tell me that doesn't look Michelin star level. When you take that first bite, you'll understand why Mughlai cuisine has endured for centuries. It's rich, complex, and satisfying in ways that most weeknight dinners just aren't. Not bad for a kitchen experiment, right?